Hey there everyone, and welcome to CSK. Ever crave something that's no longer on the menu? Today we're tackling the Alice Springs Chicken Quesadilla, a dish that has sadly disappeared from Outback Steakhouse's menu. But don't worry, we're going to show you how to make it better than ever, right in your own kitchen. We're talking juicy chicken, savory mushrooms, crispy bacon, gooey cheese, and that sweet, tangy honey mustard, all nestled in a golden, crispy quesadilla. It's the ultimate DIY fix for a restaurant favorite. So if you're ready, I am. Grab your apron and let's get started. We're going to start out by preparing our honey mustard, which is the dip for our quesadillas. We've used 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 2 teaspoons of honey. We're going to mix those in a small bowl till they're well combined, and then we're going to just set it aside. Now you need a 4-ounce chicken breast. I've grilled mine in a skillet, season it with salt and pepper, and then we're going to slice it into about 1/4-inch slices. I have a nonstick skillet. You can either use a nonstick spray, or I'm using about 1/2 teaspoon of butter to coat the surface of the skillet. I have 2 ounces of sliced baby portabella mushrooms, and I'm going to add that to our skillet along with 2 teaspoons of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of chopped parsley. We want to cook our mushrooms quickly, get them to a nice brown on the outside. It'll take about 2 minutes to cook. I've got 3 ounces of Colby Jack cheese that I've shredded. I have our chicken, I have our mushrooms, and I have 4 slices of crispy bacon that I've cut in half. So I'm going to put about 1/4 of our cheese on the bottom, then half of our sliced chicken, half of our cooked mushrooms, and half of our bacon. Then another 1/4 of our cheese on top, and our top quesadilla. Now I'm using the same skillet that I used for my mushrooms. I just wiped it out. I'm going to place my quesadilla in there. I've got it at about medium heat, and we're going to let it cook for about 2 minutes. We want to make sure that the cheese starts to melt, and then we'll flip it and we'll cut it into wedges. Now you want to just carefully flip your quesadilla, trying to keep it all together, and brown the other side. So when they're all done, you can serve them with your honey mustard, or you can use pico de gallo. I'll put a link below for our pico de gallo recipe, and you're perfect for a quick lunch, for appetizers, or even make a bunch of them for a meal.